day. It's a beautiful day. 4th of July. So much going on. Everybody here for the fireworks. Some of these kids want to be bad. You know what I'm saying? They're coming outside for bullshit. Oh no. Oh no. Man, they out here with knives, man. You gotta watch these kids, man. Coming out here doing bullshit, man. This is how shit gets fucked up. But yeah, you know how it is. Some people just want to come outside and cause problems, man. And unfortunately, some of them look like me. Yeah, you know, if you're in New York, and I guess you give a fuck about fireworks, come to the Lower East Side, all the way. You got to go all the way to South Seaport. You know, it's a lot of people out here. You know, it's always like this every year. You know, people come out to see the fireworks at South Seaport, see what's going on. You know, I live here, so same shit. But I might go to Times Square, see what's going on over there, or go to, yeah, where else I could go to? Maybe I could go to Houston Street real quick, you know. Yeah, I might do that. I might go to Houston Street, see what's going on, see what the vibes is. I said I got my umbrella with me just in case. Yeah. Man, it's a lot of people, man. It's a lot of people. Let me zoom in. Man, motherfuckers coming from everywhere. Alright. Right. Shorty. Got a little shorty. My little woody. Yeah, man, New York City, man. One of the best cities to be in right now, man. One of the best cities to be in right now. On the planet. So yeah. You gotta get down here. what I'm saying?